Welcome to SNAP 2021 exam analysis for slot 1. It happened on 19th December. SNAP 2021 retained the revised paper pattern from SNAP 2020 with a reduced number of questions and a reduced time limit. The duration of the test was 60 minutes. SNAP 2021 had 15 questions for general English, which included reading comprehension, verbal reasoning and verbal ability, with 1 mark per correct answer. Analytical and logical reasoning had 25 questions, and quantitative and data interpretation had 20 questions with 1 mark each, making it a total of 60 questions and 60 marks. There was a negative marking of 0.25 marks per incorrect question. Let us now look at sectional in-depth exam analysis for SNAP 2021. General English section was easier than last year, though students can make mistakes and had to be cautious. 7 vocab-based questions can be classified as easy to moderate. There were 3 fill-in-the-blank questions, 1 synonyms, spellings and idioms, and there were 8 grammar and sentence structure questions which can also be classified as easy to moderate. Overall, the difficulty level of this section can be termed easy. Ideal time 12 minutes, good attempts 13 plus, good score 10.5 plus. Let us now look at analytical and logical reasoning. This section had 18 questions from analytical reasoning and 7 from LR. There were 4 questions from clocks and calendars, which included 2 questions from the clock and 2 from calendars. 3 out of these 4 questions were easily doable, while 1 was time-consuming. There were 2 sets of arrangements with 3 questions putting together, and all of them were easy. Apart from this, 2 questions on blood relations and 1 on data structure was also easy. There were a good number of questions on coding, decoding and series, which were direct and should be attempted. Overall, this section was easy and well-prepared students should be able to extract a high number of attempts within reasonable time allocation. Overall, the difficulty level of this section can be termed easy. Ideal time 24 minutes, good attempts 20 plus, good score 17.5 plus. Let us now look at QA and DI. This section turned out to be a surprise factor for students owing to a few reasons. First, the section was moderate to difficult and time-consuming if one goes by SNAP standards. Secondly, there was only 1 question from DI, while data sufficiency was completely absent from the paper. Third, unlike earlier editions of SNAP and all other major entrance exams, the weightage on the arithmetic part was relatively low. There were 5 questions from arithmetic involving questions on time and work, time and distance, allegations, average, and percentage. Topics like SICI and profit and loss were missing. The paper also included close to 5 questions from algebra with a question on logarithm, binomial expansion, etc. There were 4 questions on modern maths comprising of a question each from permutation, probability and progressions. The question on infinite GP did not have the correct answer given in options. Apart from this, there were 3 questions from geometry and mensuration and 2 questions from numbers. The question on mensuration that involved finding thickness should have been avoided, while the question based on factors that required the value of a plus b plus c might look tempting but can end up wasting time of test takers. Overall, the difficulty level of this section was moderate to difficult. Ideal time 24 minutes, good attempts 14 plus, good score 10.25 plus. Overall, the difficulty level of SNAP 2021 Slot 1 can be considered easy to moderate. General English 13 questions, easy to moderate, suggested time 12 minutes, good score 10.5 plus. Quant and DI questions 20, moderate to difficult, suggested time 24 minutes, good score 10.25 plus. Reasoning 25 questions, easy, should be allocated 24 minutes, good score 17.5 plus. Expected cutoffs for SNAP 2021 could be SIBM Pune 40 plus marks, SCMHRD 38.5 plus marks, SIBM Bangalore 36.5 plus marks and SIIB 34.5 plus marks. These are estimated cutoffs for general category. Wish you all the very best for the remaining attempts. Dream, endeavor, achieve.